Hello children, good morning all of you. Welcome to the virtual class presented by Jet Kids. So dear student, today in this science period what we are going to learn? So see, our today's topic is safety rules, that is lesson number 7, safety rules. So dear students, we have completed our lesson number up to lesson number 6, the portion, and now in this video we are going to start lesson number 7, that is the safety rules. So let us see. So see what we are going to learn in this lesson number 7, that is the safety rule. So by learning checklist you will come to know that what we are going to learn in this lesson. So safety rules at home, safety rules in school, safety rules in playground, and safety rules on the road, and safety rules in vehicles and in the swimming pool. So what are the safety rules that if we will follow, then it will be good for our betterment? Yes, so these things we have to follow, these rules we have to follow for our safety. Okay, so these are made by our government or by our teacher or by our society. Yes, so all these rules we have to follow properly. Okay, so let us see the first point. What is the first point? So see, let's get started activity. Okay, so see the picture. Okay, look at the picture and answer the questions. So see, you have to observe the picture very carefully. See, there is one girl. Okay, she is crossing the road by using the zebra crossing. Okay, and but what she is doing, she is listening the music. That is completely wrong thing. So see what are the questions. So let us see. So see, these are the question. Question number 1, what are the black and white stripes on the road called? And the answer is obviously zebra crossing. So see now, and what is this? Question number 2, is the girl following the traffic rule? Obviously the answer is no. See once again the picture. Yes, she is listening the music. Okay, and this is completely wrong. While crossing the road we should be we should listen what is going on there. Okay, on that present time. Okay, so this is the completely wrong thing. So let us see the next part. I hope you understood these two questions. Now let us move to the next part. So see, now we will start the lesson. Accidents can happen anytime and at any place. So we cannot say that the accident will happen on this road only or on that particular place only. It is not like that. Accidents can happen anytime. The time is not fixed, so we have to take care always and all the time, and at any place also. So everywhere we have to take care of everything for our safety. They may cause injury. Obviously after the accident we may cause injury and pain also. If we will get injured, then we have to suffer pain also. All of us need to follow the safety rules. So what we have to do is that all of us need to follow the safety rules that can save us from accident. If we will follow the safety rules, then we will save from the accidents, and then we are not going to suffer about with the injury or the pain. We are not going to suffer such type of problems. Okay, so it is our duty, it is the duty of every citizen of India or every citizen of every person, that we have to follow the safety rule. Let us study about the various safety rules that we must follow at different places. So the rules of the safety rules of different places are different. Okay, so let us study in detail. The various means the different safety rules at the different places. So see, the first, at home. So what are the rules that we have to follow at home? Okay, so see, at home which rules you have to follow to save yourself. So you have to observe the picture also. Okay, let us learn how to be safe at home. Okay, so number A, stay away from electrical wirings. So see, the boy is touching to wire with wet hand. See, water is there. to his hand. Okay, so you should not do like this. Okay, this is the completely dangerous thing. It is a very very wrong thing. Okay, we can die also by touching this electric wires. Okay, so you have to take care of it. Okay, stay away from electrical wirings also. Again, from you have to keep distance from gas stoves, toasters, iron boxes, electric fans, and when they are switched on. Okay, so you may get an electric shock from these, and it is a very very dangerous for our life. So you have to protect yourself by following these safety rules. So see, the next rule which we have to follow at home is number B: do not play with matches or candles as they may cause burns. Okay, do not play with matchsticks. Okay, you are not going to play with matchsticks or candles also, as they may cause burns. Okay, and by burning we have to feel very dangerous pain that we cannot bear also. Okay, number C, and for number C you have to see the picture also. Okay, do not leave soap on the floor of bathroom. You may slip and fall, like see that boy which is falling with the help of soap. Yes, so see, do not leave soap on the floor of the bathroom. Okay, otherwise you can slip like this boy. And number D, never have medicines unless prescribed by a doctor. So see, D point is very 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 important. Never have medicines unless prescribed by a doctor. Now what is mean by prescribed? So see, prescribed means what? So see, that we are going to see in the next slide. Okay, so these three rules you have to follow. Okay, so see what is meant by prescribed. So see, the meaning is already given in your book. Okay, prescribe means to tell somebody to take particular medicine. For example, we go to the doctor and doctor writes medicines on the paper. Okay, and tell that to take this medicine for sneezing, for coughing, for temperature, and for headache, and for stomach ache, etc. So whatever the medicines doctor write on his sheet and gives us, okay, that is called as prescribed medicine. Okay, why the doctor gives? Because doctor have the knowledge which medicine is work for the which disease. Okay, so that's why we have to take the guidance of doctor only, and the doctor has right to prescribe the medicine. Okay, so and now there are medicines at our home also. Yes, but we should not take that by our own. Okay, because what happen, generally if we take any kind of medicine, then we have to face side effects of that medicines. Okay, so it is the duty of doctor, so we should not do it. Okay, so that's why we have to follow this safety rule at home. Let us see the next. Yes, that is the E and F, and for that these pictures also you have to follow. For number E, do not tease or irritate pets or animals, they may bite you. Okay, so if you are teasing or irritating pets on the street or the street animals, okay, they may bite you, and for that also you have to take many injections. Yes, so that is also very dangerous thing, so do not harm any animal. Okay, number F, avoid touching. See, for number F you have to see the next picture. Avoid touching pointed or sharp edged objects like needles, knives, blades, etc. Okay, these objects may cut you and lead to injury. Means our finger can be cut and then it lead to a injury, then we have to face injury, and then bleeding will start, and then we have to go to the doctor and medical and everything. Then it will be more dangerous, and that then we cannot do any work also if our hand or finger is going if it is cut down. Okay, so and then we have to suffer pain also. Okay, so better to take precaution and do not use sharp objects like this, needles, knives and blades. So I hope you understood this part also. So let us see the rules, safety rules which you have to follow in school. Okay, so what are the rules that you have to follow in school? So see, in school, A, do not sharpen the pencil with a knife or blade. Means sharpener is there. Okay, so you have to use sharpener only. Okay, do not sharpen your pencil. So with a knife or blade you should not sharp your pencil. Number B, never run with your school bags, you may fall down and get hurt. See, your school bag is already heavy, so see the picture that two boys are running and you are always running, and your teacher see, we always guide you that don't run in the corridor, don't run here, don't run there, and your mama is guiding you now, don't run in the house, etc. So you should not run with the heavy bag or with like this only. You have to walk, okay. Walking is more important than running, okay. So you may fall down and then you will get hurt. So for your safety it is better to follow this rule. So let us see the next rule which you have to follow in school, okay. So what is that rule? So see, rule number C, never jump on the desk inside the classroom. If teacher is not there and there is a off period, okay, so what you do, you just you do whatever you want to do. So this is not the good thing. We have to be disciplined children, okay. We have to follow the rules even if there is not any elder present, okay. If teacher is not there, so then also we have to follow the rules. For example, see, never jump on the desk inside the classroom like this boy, okay. Number D, do not keep your hand close to the frame of the window and the window may bang shut and hurt you. This happened with door also, okay. In means at the time of summer or there is a lot of wind, okay. So wind blows and it happens like the door bang shut, and again your fingers or your hand can hurt, okay, can get hurt. So do not keep your hand close to the frame of a window or in the frame of door also, okay. This safety also we have to follow, okay. So see the next safety, E, hold the, see the picture, okay. So see these two boys are running, okay. So hold the railings while climbing the stairs. See, there is a railing, okay. So you have to hold that, okay, with your hands, and never run on the stairs. On the stairs also you should not run. You have to take care while walking or stepping, climbing or down or up the stairs. You have to take care, okay. So this rule also you have to follow. I hope you understood the rules which you have to follow in the school, okay. Now let us see the rules which you have to follow in the playground. So what are the rules which you have to follow in the playground? So see, A, play a safe game, okay. You have to play properly. Next, B, keep away from thorny plants and barbed wires, okay. So see, so what is meant by barb, that we are going to see, pointed, but that we will going to see in the next slide. Now I want to explain you the rules. Keep away from the thorny plants and barbed means pointed, okay, wires. So next, number C, do not push your friends or fight with them. So see, play a safe game, keep away from thorny plants and barbed wires, do not push your friends or fight with them. So see the pictures. So these are the this is the plant of rose, okay. So and it has thorns. So see what you have to do. In the first picture they put a tick mark. So in this way you have to play a safe game, okay. And see second picture, that girl touched to that rose plant and then she get hurt. So we should not do this. That's why they put a cross mark in the box, okay. So in this way we have to follow these rules in the playground, okay. So let us see the next. What is meant by barb, okay. So having a pointed end. I already told you that barb means pointed. So having a pointed end like a thorn, okay. So next, and the next rule is, so these are the rules and that you have to follow where, at home, okay, in school, okay, and in the playground. So in this way, and this is the last part, okay. So see, revise and recall. So see, write yes or no. So you have to tell me which one is the correct thing. For that you have to write yes, and which is the wrong thing. For that you are going to write no. So let us start this column, revise and recall. Number 1, should you avoid playing with sharp objects? Yes or no? Obviously yes, we have to avoid playing with sharp objects. Number 2, should you light matchsticks? No, we should not light matchsticks, okay. Number 3, should you push or pull your classmates? Obviously no, we should not. You should not also pull or push your classmates. So in this way you have to follow all the safety rules, okay children. I hope you understood whatever the part I taught you in this lesson, okay children. So take care of you, okay. Stay home, stay safe, and do your PH, okay. And bye.